Welcome to Cyber Offense and Microsoft Windows Server 2019 Hands-On Training. This course picks up where Professor K's previous two-part video series, Server 2012 and Server 2016 Hands-On Training, left off. If you have not completed Professor K's Server 2012 and Server 2016 series of courses, contact the instructor for a deeply discounted course coupon for both series. In this latest two-part series, Professor K employs hands-on speed learning, so you will quickly acquire the needed skills for administering a Microsoft Server 2019 domain environment. This course is designed to make learning Server 2019 quick and as painless as possible. Each 2 to 5 minute video tutorial is designed to teach you an important concept of administering Server 2019, and then allow you to interact with your lab environment to apply what you just learned. Be sure to watch the course overview video in Section 1 to learn more about the course. Sections 2 and 3 of the courses will take you through building your lab environment. All 3 sections are available for a free preview. Thanks for watching. At Cyber Offense, your success is how we measure our success. Bye!